Good morning, students. In next standard, math second, we have studied in last period interior angle test of parallel lines. Then in this period, we have to see alternate angle test. First one is alternate angle test. Alternate angle test. Then theorem is, if a pair of alternate angles formed by a transversal of two lines is congruent, then two lines are parallel. Statement of the theorem is, if a pair of alternate angles formed by a transversal of two lines is congruent, then two lines are parallel. Then two lines are parallel. This is statement of an alternate angle test. Then given that, we have next point is given, if a pair of alternate angles formed by a transversal of two lines, we have given two lines, line L and line M with two lines. Then we have given one transversal is line N is transversal, then angle A, angle C, angle B. We have given that line N is transversal, line N is transversal of line L and line M. Angle A and angle B with pair of congruent pair of alternate angles. Congruent pair of alternate angles. That is, angle A is equal to angle B. That is, angle A is equal to angle B. We have to prove that line L parallel to line M. We have to prove that line M parallel to line M. Proof is, we have given angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Reason is angles in linear pair. Angles in linear pair. The sum of angles in linear pair is 180 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B given in the statement. We have given B congruent pair of alternate angles. Therefore, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. But angle B and angle C are interior angles on same side. Or interior angles on same side of transversal. On same side of transversal. Therefore, line L is parallel to line M. Interior angle test. Interior reason is interior angle test. This property is known as an alternate angle test. This property is known as an alternate angle test. Angle B and C are interior angles on same side of transversal. Then from interior angle test, line L is parallel to line M. This is proof, and this proof is called as, this test is called as alternate angle test. Next is corresponding angle test. Corresponding angle. Theorem statement of the theorem is a pair of corresponding angles. If a pair of corresponding angles formed by a transversal of two lines, formed by a transversal of two lines, then two lines are formed parallel. Then two lines are we have given statement of the theorem is if a pair of corresponding angles formed by a transversal of two lines is congruent, then two lines are parallel. We have given N is a transversal. Given that, we draw a figure, two lines. Then we draw two lines, line N and line M, with two lines, and N is a transversal. Then angle is angle A, angle C, angle B. Given that line N is a transversal, N is transversal of line L and M. Angle A and angle B is congruent pair of corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. That is, angle A is equal to angle B. That is, angle A is equal to angle B. Then to prove that, line L is parallel to line. To prove that line L is parallel to line M. Then proof is, first you will given that angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle C is 180 degree. That is, reason is angle C linear pair. Angle C linear pair. Then next step is that we have given angle A is equal to angle B given in the statement. Then angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That is pair of interior angle. That is angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. That is pair of interior angle. These two angles are interior angles. Pair of interior angles on same side of transversal. On same side of transversal is congruent. The same side of transversal is congruent. Therefore, line L is parallel to line M. Interior angle test. Reason is interior angle test. This property is known as a corresponding angle test. This property is known as a corresponding angle test. Then we have given one corollary. First corollary is if a line is perpendicular to two lines, if one line is perpendicular to two lines, is perpendicular to two lines in a plane, then two lines are parallel to each other. Two lines are parallel to each other. Two lines are parallel to each other. Then two lines are parallel to each other. We have given that. First we draw diagram. If a line is perpendicular to two lines, we have given two lines, line L, and draw a line perpendicular to these two lines. draw a line perpendicular to these two lines. Then angle A, angle C. Given that line EN is perpendicular to line EL and line EN is perpendicular to line EM, to prove that line EL parallel to line EM. Statement of corollary is, if a line is perpendicular to two lines in a plane, line EN is perpendicular to two lines, line EL and line EM in a plane, then two lines are parallel to each other. We have to prove that line EL is parallel to line EM. Then proof is, line EL, first write line EL is perpendicular to line EL, and line EN is perpendicular to line EM. We have given, then angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. Angle A and angle C are corresponding angles. Each corresponding angles. That is, corresponding angles formed by a transversal, N of line EL and line EM. Then therefore we have in corresponding angle test, if line EL, angle A and angle C be corresponding angles formed by transversal EN, then these two lines are parallel. Then line EN, last one, line EN is parallel to line EM. Reason is corresponding angle test. Corresponding angle test. This is corollary first. Then in second corollary, if two lines in a plane are parallel to third line in the plane, then those two lines are parallel to each other. Write this proof in the notebook. Then next one is practice, solve practice set 2.2 and problem set 2. We have to finish chapter. Then in next period we will start our third chapter. Third chapter name is triangles. Okay, thank you.